Hello, and welcome to Colorful STEAM Crafts with the Newport Beach Public Library. For this first bit, we will need a paper plate, some clothespins, and some markers. Divide your paper plate into 6 equal segments. Then color them in the following order of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. That is the same order as a rainbow, and it's also known to us humans as the visible light spectrum. Once you're done coloring the plate, write the name of each color on the clothespins, and use your markers to color each clothespin with the color you wrote. Now comes the hard part. Pin each clothespin to the right color. Some people can't see color very well, and being able to read the side of a marker helps them recognize the way that colors appear to them. Then they can start recognizing patterns with color. Do you see anything that would help you recognize the colors? If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. And if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. See how the color wheel works to help learn colors? Pretty cool. Okay, on to the next craft. We will need our tissue paper, contact paper, and black paper frame pieces. Get started by unrolling your sheet of contact paper. I rolled it back up the other way and paper clipped it for a bit to help keep it from rolling up on itself. Next, get your tissue paper ready. After that, peel the paper side off your contact sheet, leaving the sticky side facing up. Begin placing your tissue paper so that it covers as much of the sheet as you can. Once you're done with that, cover it with the other sticky sheet of contact paper. Almost there! Measure out your frame, trim the window to the right size, and glue on the black frame pieces. And there you go! Look at the light coming through it. And since you've got some extra clothespins now, how about try hanging it up in the window? Doesn't that look pretty? Up next, we'll need a top and the round pieces of paper. Draw a different design on each piece of paper. I'm going to try a spiral, a rainbow of color, and something that looks kind of like a piece of candy. I used a sharpened pencil to poke holes through the middle of the pieces of paper. Then you can put them on the top and see how they look when they're spinning. First, I'll try the spiral. Looks like I'm going to have to work on my spinning technique. There it goes. All right, here goes the rainbow. Pretty cool. And lastly, wow, this one's mesmerizing. On to our final craft of the day. We will start by coloring the visible light spectrum on a piece of paper. You're probably getting pretty familiar with that by now. That's right, it goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. All right, time for the fun part. Fill a large round container with water and hold your colors behind it. Watch them warp and stretch around each other. It looks pretty neat. You can even try experimenting with different shaped containers. Who knows what you'll see? And that's it for this week's Colorful STEAM Crafts. Thanks as always for joining us here at the Newport Beach Public Library. Have a wonderful rest of your summer. Bye!